Hi guys, this is Wachabi. I got another unboxing for you today. Now this is an Orient watch. I just gotten it a couple of days ago, um, and I think you'll be interested to know more about this watch because I don't see a lot of reviews that has been done on this particular design. So let me open it up. Sorry, fortunately I have to hold the camera with my hand, so this will be a one-hand unboxing. So this is the box, rectangular box, but the way it opens is also unique. I've never seen it open like this before. It's actually from the top. It flips from the side. So this is how it looks like. Oh, it can open. Very nice logo on the inside, velvet covered inside of the box. You have the Orient vending mechanism manual, as well as the international guarantee. So this is the watch that I was talking about. This is the mechanical revival watch, the RA-AA0E02E, a rather mouthful in terms of the reference number, but this is a revival of the famous 1969 map diver, world map diver by Orient. Very vintage, fluted fixed bezel, internal rotating bezel, zero lug casing, but most interestingly, of course, don't forget dome crystal. But the most interesting facet of this particular watch is the dial itself. Look at the dial. It has that, it's flat, but the way it is manufactured, the process of manufacturing creates a lens effect. So it looks as if that you are actually looking at something that is spherical inside the watch, which is not. Really cool. Anyway, I will do a full review on this watch soon. So give it a thumbs up, follow the channel. The video should be coming up quite soon. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.